we're sliding into accessibility by looking at I for images in Microsoft PowerPoint. It works exactly the same way as it did in Microsoft Word, so we're going to go through that, but we're going to add a little bit of extra context because I know that we are often sharing data with our participants when we are using PowerPoint. I want to also just state that these slides that you're going to see that have a lot of data, they're available in a different just self-paced presentation. So we're just using them here to show this process. So what you want to do is you could click on your individual data points, but when doing that, you will probably overwhelm participants. So instead, you want to give them data that represents the whole chart. So I would go ahead and click the outside box. I can view alt text, and you can see that I've already written some alt text about this document that tells about this image that tells about the general pattern. What I would want to do if this was a really complicated graph or if this was maybe an infographic is that I would state that this was a pie chart, what is the basic pattern, and then I would ask them to refer to the long description, which I would place in the presentation notes. And I would give them that presentation. So again, we're using an overall description. In this case, it says that this pie chart shows the percentage of individuals in the U.S. with color blindness, which is something we get from the title of the pie chart. I have made sure also for people who are not visually impaired as far as sight acuity, but maybe colorblind, to make sure that this chart has other types of labels other than the color. Again, we want to make sure that we're using more than one type of label anytime we are using color. And then we're going to go to a table. So a table can take users a lot of time to process. So one of the things we want to do is really a brief description of what this table overall represents. So what we would say is that this might be a humorous table. It shows tasks, completion time, and satisfaction. And this table isn't serious content. So we want them to know that before they spend time processing it. It's just an example. And we would write that all up into this alt text.